Hi, this is MelB. I'm going to share with you 3 steps to fall in love with the wig you just took out of the box. So these are my 3 steps that I like to do. Put on the cap that comes with it. This can protect the wig from any products, from any oils from your hair transferring to the wig. Also, secondly, protect that lace front. Don't tug on it, don't pull on it. It will rip or tear. Okay, it's just very thin material that they've hand tied all these fibers into. Secondly, okay, let's put it on. So grab it from the back of the neck, put your head into it like that. Don't grab that lace front. I grab the ear tabs and then I begin to pick it up. You can pick it up here, right, where the wefting is. All right, but that's it. And look, salon ready hair out the door. Okay, so let's talk about lighting. I want to show you something. Okay, so look at this. If I lean into the window like this, see how the sunlight grabs it? It's a different color than this side where the sun isn't hitting it. And back here in the shadow, it's different. But it's coming across it's called Platinum. This is Eve from Envy and Platinum Shadow. And it is just gorgeous. See, now this is in the shade. No lighting on this, so it looks darker, goldeny blonde. And over here where the sun's hitting it, that's how much lighting can affect the color. Also what you're wearing. So maybe what you're wearing is affecting the color of the wig as well and brightening your face or darkening, color of your makeup, your eyeshadow. These are all things I want you to think about when you go to put your wig on, is check those things out. Think about it. If you're thinking, well, that isn't the same color that MelB had on, well, maybe you're in the bathroom. Bathroom lighting, don't do it. Go to a window, take your camera and take a picture of yourself like this with the light on it, just standing in the window with the light hitting it, maybe in the living room, the dining room, wherever you can get a feel for the places you're going to be wearing that wig, that people are going to be seeing it. That's what I want you to do. And then, so that's cover your hair, protect the lace front, check all the lighting. Just like bio hair, it's going to change in every different way with color you're wearing, with window lighting, outdoor lighting, and also you're going to have to think about the style. The style comes baked in like this, but your face shape, is it square, oval, heart shaped? So for me, I'm always one of those people that like to is the ear tucker, and I think because I like the way it does for the shape of my face. I always feel like it's a little flattering, looks a little natural because people naturally do that. And so it's not something they would expect you to do on a wig. And so, you know, I really like the way that this cups my face, but maybe, and the bangs coming down, but maybe you're more off the face with your bangs. Maybe you want more bangs down, swooping down. See how every time I move the hair like that and position it, it changes the shape of my face. And maybe some ways are a little bit more flattering than others. So play with the hair, make it be you, make it fit you, where you love it. So let's take a look at the sides and the back. It's a great little wig. Everybody's always saying, what's a good low density wig? Low density, this is a low density wig. See, look how that just flattens out like that. So, but you can also, because the way it's cut, you can use wig wax and get a lot of fun volume in there too. So great one to check out. Those are my 3 tips. I hope you fall in love with your wig.